Hi, it's Richard Seaton here from imbusinessninja.com and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a SlideShare presentation using PowerPoint. In fact, there will be two further sections to this later on because we can then actually use the slides we made for SlideShare and create a video from them like I did here. And finally, of course, we can go on to use the MP3 audio track to make ourselves a great podcast as well. So we get 3 awesome pieces of useful content out of one job, and that's efficiency for you. Of course, we could then go on to give these away as a subscription gift on our blog, or even sell them as a front-end offer for maybe $9.95 to introduce people to our business. But for now, let's just get on with creating the slides first, okay? So here's how to capture and create your SlideShare sequence. For this we'll need some basic software. We'll need PowerPoint, which comes as part of Microsoft Office Suite. We then need screen capture software to take the stills from the screen and create the slides. And then we need Microsoft Paint to edit and save the screen captures as PNG or possibly JPEG files. Print screen button together with the Win button on your keyboard, and then paste the result into Paint if you like. Or more easily you can use Jing, which is a piece of free software which is actually brilliant. It's a bit quicker as well. I use both methods. PowerPoint is the software we will use to sequence our slides once we've made them and give them an attractive theme. So let's start off, shall we? The first thing we need to do is to decide what we want to say in a presentation. The way I do that is to type out a script in Microsoft Word and make each slide progress everything forward, like chapters in a book. So here's a rough idea. This is the script I used for this one. The idea of SlideShare, of course, is to mix together a small amount of text with some visual images like an infographic in several parts. The trick is to tell the story this way without the person having to read it through like a text file. So the next thing to do is to create the slides from our screenshots and other graphics. Use the Window tab and Print Screen as I said, or install Jing for free and use that. Here's a link to Jing for you. You can also capture 5 minutes of video with this free software, which is actually really useful if you're needing a little bit off, I don't know, Facebook or something, or you just want to save a very interesting or amusing video for yourself. So Jing can do all that. Right, so now let's open PowerPoint. I usually begin my presentations with a photo of myself and my name typed beside it and probably a link to my blog or something or an email address. So here's my introductory photo. Now we'll type in the title of our presentation and a subtitle in PowerPoint. The subtitle is a short description. Right, so once you've got the title in there, you've got your first and second slide made. You've got your photograph and you've got your title page. So the next thing to do is to click on the Design tab at the top here and choose the theme you want. There are quite a few good ones to choose from. You can customize them. I don't see the point. They're all fine really. This one looks great, so let's go with this. Now what we do is we begin to insert our slides into PowerPoint in the correct order. If they're not in the right order, just use the mouse and right click on them and click on Rename, and then you can call them whatever you like. I really like to get them in the right order before I start, because then the thing runs more smoothly. So now just simply go through the sequence and make sure you're happy with it once you've got them all on there, and then we can go ahead and upload them to SlideShare. So there you go, it's actually very, very simple. Open yourself a SlideShare account, upload, and away you go. You can put in tags and you can put all sorts of things on your SlideShare account page. Just be aware, I'm going to make a second video and possibly a third video shortly, showing you how you can use the same slides we just made to produce this video and also to embed it on your blog and split out the MP3 we made and use as a podcast. So thanks for watching and go ahead and have a go. See you soon.